How to check who viewed your Facebook profile. If you're wondering who's been viewing your Facebook profile, the truth is that Facebook doesn't currently offer a feature that lets you see exactly who visited your profile. On the mobile app or desktop, there's no official tool or setting that shows a list of profile viewers. Any third-party apps or browser extensions that claim to provide this information are not supported by Facebook and could pose security risks. However, you can sometimes get a general idea by checking who frequently reacts to or comments on your posts, watches your stories, or sends you friend requests. These interactions often come from people who visit your profile regularly. For now, Facebook prioritizes privacy and doesn't make profile view data publicly available. Therefore, if you encounter any apps or websites that claim to show you this information, it is best to avoid them and report them to Facebook. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.